Hi everybody, this is Mrs. Heisey. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do the level C on SketchUp. So what you're going to do is you're just going to simply start out by logging onto a computer. Then you're going to come here and find this little icon for SketchUp. Double click on that. Now this little page right here is going to come up and you guys need to choose a template. Reminder that whenever we are in Tech Ed, we use inches and feet. So we're going to click on the first one that says Simple Template. Just click on it and then we're going to start using SketchUp. Now the program is going to come up on your screen. You can go ahead and you can maximize it so you can see the whole thing. If you do not have this toolbar along the side right over here, it's really easy to get to. All you have to do is click on the View, then Toolbars, and right here where it says Large Tool Set, you want to click on, put a little check mark inside of there, and then hit Close. Now we're ready to get started. See this great guy right here? Click on him and go ahead and delete that guy. Now, you guys have the choice to choose a level A, a level B, or a level C. I'm going to show you guys how to do the level C, but you're going to be using all the icons in A, B, and C. They're all the same. It's just a matter of the difficulty of the shape. So first off, we're going to start out by with level C, I am going to create a rectangle. So right here is my rectangle icon. I click on here, and I'm going to bring it right here to my X, Y, and Z coordinates. Notice we have a little origin that turns yellow when I hover over top of it. I'm going to click on there with my mouse, but I'm not going to hold the mouse down. I'm just going to click on it, and I'm going to drag the mouse out to the side, but I'm not holding it down. I'm just pulling it off to the side. I need to go ahead and enter my measurements or my dimensions for the size of the shape that I want. Notice down here, this is where we can put in dimensions. All right? Excuse me for that little cough in there. All right, the size that I want is going to be 4 inches. Now, if you look down here where I just wrote that, if you look in the corner, oh, now it moved. I'm going to have to type in 4, and I'm going to have the inches sign. Make sure you hold the shift down. Otherwise, if you don't have the shift button down, it'll end up making it feet for you. Then I want to hit comma, and my width is going to be 2 1/2 inches, and then I can hit enter. Notice how tiny that is. Well, it's really easy to zoom in on that. You have a couple different options. If you look over here, this is zoom extents. I can click on that and it would zoom right in for me. Or I could just use the little roller ball that is on the mouse to do that. Here's my hand, so if I want, I can move this around my page anywhere I want to go. Or I can use this little orbits right here to go ahead and I can look at it from whatever angle I would like. So I'm going to use that hand and just center my whole item. Now what I want to do is I want to make this object three-dimensional. Really easy to do that. This little icon on the side is called the push-pull. I'm going to click on that once. I'm going to hover above my mouse above this, and I'm going to click once on it. Then I can either go up or down, whatever I want to do. The height for my option C is 1.5 inches. So I type in 1.5 inches. And there we go. So I started out with a cube. Now, if you're doing option C, we need to actually take away some stuff on here. And I'm just going to move this down a little bit so I can look at my top view right here. Easiest thing I'm going to do is use the measurement tool to get myself started. I'm going to click on the measurement tool. Pick a corner, any corner that you want to. And I'm going to click over here. Notice when I'm over here, it starts a little green and it says endpoint. I click once, and then I'm going to bring this forward. I need to come in 1 inch. Sorry, kind of have a cold today. All right, and notice I have a little thing right here. So I just clicked on here, I dragged this over, and I typed in 1 inch. All right, and it makes a little point for me. So now I can use my pencil tool. I'm going to click on the pencil tool, click right there on my guide point, and notice on your drawing, if I have it going along my X, Y, and Z axis, I want it to be red. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to go in 1 1/2 inches, enter. Then I can bring my pencil and I just bring it out this way until it turns green. And I want that to be 1 inch, enter. Go over it sideways. That's 1 inch, enter. Oopsie. Now see, I accidentally hit the wrong thing. Easy to fix. Go up to edit, undo, and we're going to start back over there. And I just have to type in my 1 inch, enter. Bring it back this way, okay, till it gets green, 1 inch, enter, and then I'm just simply going to close it up to the side here on the edge. Ta-da! That was easy. So now I want to take this area and I need to shrink it down. Again, we're going to go to our push-pull, click on it, hover over top of it. I'm going to click once, and then I can bring this down. Now, my distance from where it's at, I need that to go down 3/4 of an inch. So notice where you have your distance on the side till it gets to 3/4 of an inch, and then you can go ahead and click it into place right like that. Last thing I need to do, or not last thing, but I need to make a circle right here in the middle. Very easy. I can make a circle simply by taking it and clicking here, and it says on face. Uh-oh, but how do I know where the center of my circle is? Well, here's the trick. Click on the pencil tool first, and you're going to go from one side of this square to the other and make yourself a nice little X. Again, sorry, got a cold. All right, click on my circle now. Take it right here, click once, and you'll notice that the diameter of my circle is 1/4 of an inch. Well, if you look down where I'm supposed to type in my measurement, it's asking for my radius. So half of 1/4 is actually 1/8. So I'm going to put in 1/8 of an inch, hit enter, and there's my circle. To get rid of those extra lines, we just simply click on our eraser. Click, click. Oh, come on. There you go. Click, click, click. And now I have to make that so the hole is there. I need to go to my push-pull. Here we go. Click. Click on there, and then I'm just going to go ahead and bring it down. So there we go. Last thing that you're going to need to do is enter your dimensions to make sure that you have them right. Those are your measurements. So you're going to click over here, dimension icon, hover till you have your endpoints. Bingo, right there, right there, right there. And then you're just going to work your way around your object, making sure that you have the right measurements on everything. All right. So there we go. That is how we do option C. Now, if you're going to be doing B or A, I'm going to give you a little tip. I'm going to rotate this over just a little bit. All right. Option A, you guys have to make like a V or a groove going down the side. Same with B. And then we just push pull. All you have to do is measure out everything. So you can use your tape measure and you can simply, pick points that you want. Use your line. So I'm going to make a V going down my side here. Bring it back up on edge right there. And then all you have to do is use your push pull tool like this. Whoop. And then I am going to actually erase those little dashed lines right there. Ta-da! So that's how you would do it if you were to be doing like the A or the B level. But you just have to figure out your measurements, okay? So if you have any questions, make sure that you review this or ask the teacher. Have a good day.